Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna create this old woman look that I'm wearing right now. So let's get started. I'm not gonna use any foundation today because foundation would make my skin appear smoother and flawless, which I don't want right now. I'm just going with the Lakme CC cream, which gives you a very sheer coverage. Next, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer to cover my brows as well as my lips so that I can work on them later. Using a brown lip pencil, I'm drawing under eye wrinkles. I'm gonna blend it all well using my beauty blender. Using the LA Girl Pro Contour Powder, I'm contouring underneath my cheekbones, on my forehead as well as on my chin. Working on the under eye area again in order to create some more depth. I'm also trying to deepen the natural creases of my eyes. Next, I'm creating some crow's feet around my eyes. Next, I'm contouring my nose in order to give it a more bony-like appearance. I'm trying to give some more definition to the area underneath my cheekbones. I'm drawing two triangles just above my jawline. This is gonna give my face an illusion of loosely hanging skin. Next, I'm creating some wrinkles on my forehead as well as some frown lines. I'm highlighting these lines using some concealer. Next, I'm creating the nasolabial folds, which are more popularly known as smile lines or laugh lines. I'm also drawing some bunny lines on the root of my nose. Using some concealer, I'm cleaning as well as highlighting the nasolabial folds that I created. And now I'm giving my contour even more depth, and using a concealer, I'm highlighting this area. Using my finger, I'm blending the triangle above my jawline so that there are no harsh lines. I'm placing a net fabric on my skin and running my blush over it so that it gives my skin the appearance of a harsh texture and sun damage. I'm redoing the frown lines because I was not satisfied with the way they looked like. Next, I'm creating some more wrinkle-like lines on my cheeks. I've put on some talcum powder on my hair and covered my head with a shawl. I'm applying some contour powder on my lips so that they look even drier and darker. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel for more of such videos and let me know in the comment section below what you think about this look. See you the next time. Bye.